Hello everyone, welcome back to Spotaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to block calls from unknown number on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, for those of you who feel uncomfortable and feel disturbed and annoyed because of there are so many calls from unknown number, or there are so many calls from stranger such as spam or scam calls to your phone, don't need to be worried guys, because you can auto block when there's a calls from unknown number. And how to do that is very easy guys. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's do the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to calls menu, and then after that now you can click on the right top to the settings, and then now you can go to block list, and then after that now you can click call block list, and then now you can turn on block calls from strangers and click block, and then you can click block calls from hidden numbers. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.